This is how machine builders are benefiting from industry-leading cognex inspections at a price point that fits in with their business model. The Insight 3800, our go-to camera. IP67, loads of expandability ports, interchangeable lights and lenses, multicoloured lighting in there as well, replaceable filters. Top of the line camera. But sometimes you don't need all of that. So what if there was the same power that you've got in the 3800 at a lower price point? The Insight 8900. Cognex have had lots of micro cameras in the past. This one is the latest version that's come out. It's running the same kind of processing power as the 3800. You sacrifice a bit on the IP rating. Doesn't come with the integrated light, but what you do get is a very compact unit, fits neatly into a machine build. You've got Ethernet on there, USB, digital I/O. Powerable by 24 volts, that's the first time one of these small cameras has been 24 volts. And available with either standard C-mount manual lens, or with the addition of a little connector on the side, we can fit these liquid lenses on it too for autofocus. I'm constantly working with machine builders who want that industry-leading cognex quality, but struggle sometimes with the price point. Maybe the Insight 8900 is the way that you can get cognex on your next machine build.